Guys, welcome to my YouTube channel, and today I'm going to go ahead and take you through an easy technique to find multiple choice answers. This is a reading question type that you have in your PTE examinations. I'm also training for PTE classes now, so it'll be great if you want to go ahead and understand some techniques on how to solve these difficult reading question types in PTE. So one of the common question types that most of you guys have difficulty with would be choosing the multiple answers question type. Now, let's go ahead and talk about an easy technique on how you can find these answers. All right, so the first question out here, it says, which of the following methods can be used to extinguish a minor fire? Now, everyone has different ways of doing it. My way of doing it would be that I look for the answer in the paragraph, but it's not easy to read the entire paragraph in one go, okay? What I would do is I'll break down the paragraph, depending on the size, be it in 2 halves or 3 halves, depending on how I want to go ahead and do it. So I broke this down into 3 equal parts and I was able to go ahead and locate my answer this way. I read the first part. I was able to find it says that because most portable flame extinguishers last less than a minute, they are primarily suitable for minor flames. Minor flames, minor fire, one option here, extinguisher. Okay. Then I skimmed through quickly over here. Then it says cooling is the most popular approach for putting fire. Water is the most effective cooling medium. Since it's inexpensive and readily available, cutting off oxygen supply is another way to put out a fire. This is often accomplished by covering the fire with sand, steam, and other materials. So, sand and water, another way for us to go ahead and put out fires. Then it says a tiny fire can be covered with a blanket. So, tiny fire is another word for minor fire, and a blanket will be the option. I'll still read further in case if I find more, but ideally 3 options are good to go, but still don't be extra confident. Read through the other things over here as well. It says third strategy is separation, which is removing the fuel or easily combustible material from a fire so that you cannot find any. Procedure putting a fire is determined on the type of fire. 3 types of fire have been identified, class A. So there's nothing that talks about minor fires over here. So the answer, pretty straightforward, would be sand and water, blanket, and extinguisher. I hope you found this suggestion helpful. Do reach out on my number that's listed in the captions here in case if you require training. I'll be putting up more videos. Follow my YouTube channel for more content like this. Thank you so much.